Jeff Goin and Eric Dufour battling it out here. A little aerial battle at high winds. It's blowing about 15 knots right now. And Jeff is on his Ozone and Eric is on the GTR. Watch these guys fly recently. The Palm Bay fly-in, and these are two of the best pilots in the U.S. for sure. Also, it's very cold. Wingtip rubbing for days here. It's the downwind speed these guys have. Quite windy. Very impressive flying for both these guys. Look at the oscillation. It's insane. That's awesome. Very, very skilled pilots. Turn and I'll turn it off for you guys. Just back up off the ground. There goes Eric. Very nice. And that's it, guys. We'll see you soon.